What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can spot the breakouts of Bitcoin, learn when to sell and when to buy, so you can pretty much ride the pumps and avoid the dumps. So this is going to be an amazing video guys, so definitely stick around till the end if you want to know how to easily, even as a beginner, how you can identify these key points and you can put in your trades or your sells so you can get the best profit for your time. So getting into the video, I'm going to be using the 4 EMA. This is basically an exponential moving average. So I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what it is, how it works, and kind of what the data and the numbers we're going to be using for this specific video. So we're going to start by using the 4 EMA. So when we're looking at the 4 EMA, we're going to be using 4 different lines, obviously 4 different averages and 4 different colors. Now the first one we're going to be using is going to be in fact the 8 EMA. Now for the 8 EMA, the color that I'm going to be using is blue. So we got blue here and I'm going to make a line. Blue, this is going to be the 8. The next one we're going to be using is 13. This is going to be green. I do apologize for the writing. And next one we're going to be using is 21, and this is going to be yellow. Now stick around guys, this might not mean anything to you right now, but stick around because we'll be applying this. The next one we're going to use is the 55, and these are the moving average days. So we're going to use the 8, 13, 21 and 55 days exponential moving average on TradingView like so. Now basically what this means is this is basically a moving average over this period of days. Pretty easy to understand as of now. So we're going to be looking for some key indicators and some key areas of when these averages are in fact going to show us when it's going to be breaking out. So we want to be looking for something like this. So if we're seeing the blue on top, we are then seeing the green like so, and then of course the yellow. And I'm sure you can guess what's next. It is in fact the red. So once we see these 4 lines, these 4 averages trending upwards like that, and the blue is on top of the green is top of the yellow is on top of the red. That's basically when we're going to see a bit of price action, and the price is going to be trending upwards. So I'm going to get into TradingView and I'm going to explain this in a bit more detail. Before we do though guys, if you are liking these trading videos and you did want to take your trading game to the next level and you wanted to learn how to make a full-time income with cryptocurrency, not only from trading but from ICOs, mining, and also how to get your YouTube started up and running and basically have a successful cryptocurrency channel, definitely check out the Bitcoin Blueprint down below. It's the first link down below. If you weren't interested in that, just click the second link down below. I'm going to be giving away 10 free trading videos. Now guys, if you don't jump on board on this is absolutely gold. 10 free videos on how to make money in cryptocurrency, completely free. So I'm going to walk you through basically a step-by-step guide on how you can make $100 a day plus from trading. Put your name and email here, and then on the next page you're going to get a page like this. Basically got all the videos here, all completely free. You don't have to pay anything to use them. Let's say you want to set up your trades. Click on this here, and I'm going to teach you exactly how you can set up your trades, give you a video going over that as well. So it's definitely very, very valuable information. So getting into the video. So once you're in TradingView, tradingview.com, you can have a free account. I've got the free account. You do not need to use the paid account. You can if you want, but you don't really need to use it. But for this video, we're going to be using the free account, and for this demonstration, we're going to be taking a look at BTC USD on the Coinbase chart. So let's go over here to indicators. It may say indicators there for you, but just click on this squiggly line here. Now we're going to in fact type in 4 EMA. Once we type the 4 EMA, we can see here I've got it starred. This is a favorite, and it's by this guy here. We can see here. Click on 4 EMA. It's going to come up here, and all we have to do is close this. Now, if you are feeling a little bit confused about TradingView inside the Bitcoin Blueprint, I do have a full demonstration video explaining everything there is to know on the TradingView and also different technical indicators on how you can profit. So, as I said before, you don't need the free account. You don't need the paid account. So once we've got that up here, you may see something like this with the volume at the bottom. Just come up here to volume and click this little eye icon, and that will get rid of that pretty simply. Now we can see here these colors are quite hard to see, and they're not set at the correct values that we're interested in. So just click the gear icon here, settings, and we're going to go ahead and set the inputs first. So as I said before, we're going to have 8, 13, 21, and 55. Now, why am I having these numbers specifically? Do I like these numbers? Do I just feel like them? Well, no, they're actually the Fibonacci sequence we can see here. And if you're wanting to read more into that and how that can affect principles of trading and everything like that, you definitely can. That's an interesting read. But for now, we're going to stick with these values: 8, 13, 21, and 55. We come into the settings icon here. 8, 13, 21, 55, top to bottom. Make sure it's doing that top to bottom, otherwise this is all going to be messed up. We're then going to go on the colors, as I said before. Let's go over to the colors. It's going to be blue, green, yellow, red. So now we're going over to set up blue, green, yellow, red. Blue's already set. Blue, green, yellow, red, yeah. Blue, we're going to set green. You want to set these to luminous colors so it's easier to see. And red. So blue, green, yellow, red is set there. We want to make sure they're all ticked, and we want to increase the boldness of the line. Just drag this over here. I usually use the third setting. And then inputs are correct: 8, 13, 21, 55, and we click OK. Now, as of right now, we're on the 4-hour chart, but I'm going to go to the 1-day chart. You can pretty much use these principles on any chart you would like. So I'm going to be teaching you right now how you can use these moving averages to in fact spot when to buy in a Bitcoin and spot when you should be selling. This works for other coins as well, other tokens. It's not just Bitcoin. So I'm going to be coming down here back to let's see, actually I'm going to be using the 4-hour chart as it's a little bit easier to see. So coming down here, as I said before on the whiteboard, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for blue, green, yellow, red. If you've pumped in these indicators here correctly, we should be seeing the same thing. So we can come down here as of here, and we can see here the lines are all crossing. I mean, the 55 is over the 8, 21, and 13 right now. So we're going to be looking for, as I said before, blue, green, yellow, red. Now, what do we spot here? Blue, green, yellow, red. So we can see here, we can clearly see that these averages in fact smoothed out, and they are in fact in the order we want: blue, green, yellow, red. So now what does that signal? As I said before, when these averages are in the order, the color order that we want, that signals us to buy. Now, what would have happened if you would have bought here? So if you would have bought here where they first crossed, let's go up here, you would have in fact over a 6-day period, which is roughly average, it depends if you're day trading or swing trading, you would have made approximately 35%. Now, you might think, okay, Jack, that's not that much, but if you're consistently making 35%, I mean, if you do this with $1,000, you're going to have $1,350. You do that a couple of times in a week or a month. Let's say you do that 3-4 times a month. That's easily $1,500, $2,000 a month just from this simple trading strategy. Now, if you do like these trading strategies, there are way more inside the Bitcoin blueprint. Way, way, way more. So if you did want to go ahead and check that out, click the first link in the description. So as I said before, blue, green, yellow, red. We're looking for these indicators. I showed you here, we had these indicators here, and in fact, they broke out. And we can see here all the indicators, blue, green, yellow, red, are in the right place. And then we can see, even if you sold here when they cross back over, you still would have made like even if you wanted to be super careful and you sold back here when they crossed, the second the red crossed, you would have still made a 21% profit. So even if you missed the peak and you fucked up, you still would have made a 21% profit. So that's really, really powerful, guys. These moving averages are so powerful, but they're so underrated by many, many people. So we can take a look at the price action now. Where are we at? So right now we're at red, yellow, green, blue. Now that is not the order that we're talking about. This is just breaking it down into very, very simple principles. As I said, we're looking for blue, green, yellow, red. This is pretty much as simple as it can be. We can see here the red in fact crossed over the blue. So the 55 in fact crossed over the 8. That's a big signal, in my opinion, that we're going to see a bit of a downtrend or a pullback. We can see here as well, just over this short space of time, in fact, the signals in fact lined up perfectly. Blue, green, yellow, red. What would we have done if we would have entered here? Well, in fact, we would have made a 15% profit in the space of, let's have a look. In the space of 4 days, you would have made a 15% profit. Now you might be thinking, okay, Jack, I don't want to wait 4 days. I don't want to wait 6 days for my profit. That's ridiculous. Well, in fact, we can come up here and we can even go to the 15-minute. Now, a 15-minute chart is probably better for day trading. Maybe not day trading. I personally use the hour chart for day trading, but you can definitely use the 15-minute chart. Now, what happens here? We can see here that the indicator is blue, green, yellow, red. Now, what might come of that? Well, we don't necessarily know exactly for sure, but we can see that the blue is pretty much touching the green and almost going on to the yellow. So that would pretty much signal that no, it's not a great time to be getting in. But here, we can see here on the blue, green, yellow, the red's not really there, but it does eventually catch up, but it's a little bit too late. Whereas down here, we can see if we would have entered here. Let's get the profit calculator. We would have entered here when they're like that. We would have made a small profit of around 3%. I mean, it's not the best profit, but taking another example here, we could have, they were perfectly lined up here and ready to break. Let me just give you an example here, guys. We can see here, you may have wanted to sell off around this point, but if you're taking the advice that I'm giving you, this is not financial advice, of course, we can see that the blue, green, yellow, and red are still spread out and they're still in the correct order. Here it was a little pinch and people may have got shaky hands and sold, but in fact you can see if you would have ridden it out, the blue, green, yellow, red was still above. And we can see here, even if you would have sold here when the red crossed over, you still would have made, in fact, let me see, guys, let's see what the profit would have been. You still would have made around a 5-6% profit over around 20 hours. So it's definitely not bad. It's not the greatest indicator to make profit from, but you can see it's pretty easy to identify what the chart and what the markets are going to do. Now, if you guys are liking these trading videos, head on over to the Bitcoin Blueprint, the first link in the description. I mean, guys, this course is absolute gold. Of course, I'm going to be saying that because I made it, but definitely there's a lot of valuable information in here. We can see down here, you can have a look at the curriculum. You can have a scroll through the curriculum like so. And also, if you do want to, in fact, pay in cryptocurrency, you can always email me. Now, if we go on USD to BTC, we can see that the price is $297. It's 0.032 Bitcoin. Now, if you wanted to spend 0.03 Bitcoin to potentially make you even more than that in the long term, I mean, that's pretty much a no-brainer. You guys have to be investing in yourself and believing in yourself and giving yourself the knowledge and the advice that you can get in order to execute these good trades. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to click the second link if you weren't interested and get your free 10 trading videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, blue, green, yellow, red. I will see you guys in the next video.